Alright guys, in today's video, it's all about snake eggs. Alright guys, so we're going to start off the video from one of my favorite clutches I got laid this year. It's from my female false water cobra, and I think we may have our first fertile eggs from her. So let me go ahead and show you guys those eggs right now. Guess what guys? We look like we may have some fertile false water cobra eggs. Let me go ahead and show you guys. I'm super excited about this. I can't believe this. Let me show you guys. Alright guys, so right here are the false water cobra eggs. And this breeding was possibly a hypo to a normal. So I'm hoping that hypo proves out. I'm unsure if the hypo in false water cobras is recessive or if it's a codom, incomplete dominant trait. But I gotta ask a few more people. But yeah guys, you can see where I put the X on top, or it was to keep it upright. And yeah, you could see the follicles in a few of these guys, but it was hard to identify it in the like the one far out here. I had to rotate it a little bit slightly. But yeah, these ones you could tell were the infertile ones over here. So this is my first time even getting any I would say fertile false water cobra eggs, because as of right now I'm calling these fertile because of the differences in these two. You can see like right here the differences in shape, color, everything about them. Touch too, these ones are a little bit more firm, those ones are a lot softer. So that's two ways of identifying fertile eggs versus infertile eggs. But yeah, this is my first time producing false water cobra eggs. I produced those Baron's Racer eggs, which were very similar in follicle size, and they did end up getting a lot more veins later on within that first week. Where like ball pythons, it's a clear on, you know, where the follicle is and everything about them with the veins and stuff. But yeah guys, I'm gonna put these in the incubator, and I'm hoping that I'll get some false water cobra eggs on these guys, out of these guys. I'll keep you guys updated and let you guys know what the outcome of these eggs are. Thank you guys so much. Alright guys, I just want to correct something very quickly. I kept saying follicles because follicles are just in my vocabulary, but I meant to say embryo, so that's what I was looking for. I was looking for the embryo within the eggs. So what I do is I get my little candle here. Sorry about that. I get my little candle here and I put it to the egg and I look for the embryo. Just looking for a little Cheerio, a little egg, and you're looking for like a little red dot within that. That's what I was looking for guys. So correction guys, looking for the embryo. Alright guys, so the next clutch was a ball python clutch. The breeding was a pastel albino pied to a het pied female. I'm gonna go grab that clutch of eggs right now.
6.5 hours later. Eventually.
So guys, this clutch was probably a week old now, I believe. So what I do is check for condensation, make sure that the eggs are not getting dripped on or nothing like that. So let me go ahead and show you guys these eggs right now. So I'm going to show you guys how I set up my incubation tubs. But first let me show you guys this egg, how it's going bad. It looks a little bit wet, like it got too much moisture, or it was going bad, because this one was the one that rolled away, that was singled out from all the other eggs. And right here guys, so it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 eggs total. What this one looks like it may be going bad. But yeah guys, this is exactly how I set up mines, and I do have this little temperature gauge that I could Bluetooth and I could monitor the temps, and I keep this press and seal on top to keep the moisture contained within the tub. But yeah guys, so these eggs should be coming out around 55 to like I would say 60 days. I will probably cut once I start seeing snakes pipping. But yeah guys, I'm super excited about this. So this clutch should produce some pastel pieds, pastels even, and they'll all be het for albino on top of that. Albino pied if they're normal. But yeah guys, I'm super excited about this one. Alright guys, the next thing is even new for me, ants. We picked up some new Carpenter ants for me and my dad to work with, a new little fun project. And I did call up my friend Lights Camera Ants to give me a few tips on how to care for these guys. So far we put a little bit of what is this, mealworm inside there for them to eat. But yeah, right now all I see is a few larvae. I think there's probably 3 or 4, maybe 3 larvae in there, and the worker ant with it. The queen is huge. And yeah, I'll keep them in this test tube until I see them multiplying. Then I'll put them in a bigger environment. But yeah, I'm learning every day about these guys, and it's a fun new project for me and my dad to work with. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed that little video. I know we should be expecting those false water cobras around like 60 days, right Tyler?
Yep.
Alright, so yeah, 60 days. We should expect some falsies. If they did end up fertile, you guys are gonna have to wait and see. Make sure you turn on that bell notification so you get all the notifications when I post videos. And also we're gonna expect those ball python eggs, which that one's about 55 to 60 days, and we should get some ball pythons pipping out. Another thing is, guys, put down in the comments below if you think Tyler should start his YouTube channel already. He did start it up. He claimed that name, but now he needs to start putting out videos. Look how good his camera skills are already, right guys? So I appreciate you guys watching all my videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.